Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome today in the daily newspaper in the additional of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 27th, 2021. Yes, today there's no newspaper on Sunday, so I will continue with the puzzles of the daily newspaper of Saturday. And there are 4 Sudokus left. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, and a binary number 2, and a tectonic with 1 star. Yes. So 4 puzzles left, and I will continue solving these 4 Sudokus. Alright, and the first Sudoku will be number 2395. 2395. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. I've already counted. 27 has the 1 star, the 2 stars, 26. Alright. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzles. Which number shall I pick? How about the number these 3 missing numbers in the middle a row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. There's 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Alright. Okay. 2. Let me see. 9. Yeah, okay. We see a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 9. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 1 and 5? 1 and 5. Okay. 7, 1, and 8. 7, 1, and 8. Let me see. 417. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 1. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 here, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes, so one box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1, 8. 1, 8, 7. No. 1, 8. 1, 8. Ooh, 1, 8, and 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the third row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Two numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there in this big square, so no 8 there. No, 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left, the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left, the 7 and the 8. Let me mark those two numbers. One number left in this column for the number 5. Two numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those two numbers. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to go to the toilet. I need to pause the thing. See you later. Bye bye. Hi guys, let's continue with the Sudoku with 1 star. Yes, all right. Let me see. Those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4, 1, and 9. 4, 1, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4, 1, and 9. 2, 3, 4 here. 3. Okay. 7. 7, 3, and a 2. Yes, those 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. So the 7 should be here. And the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 3. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be an 8. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright, what are these 2 missing numbers? The 1 is missing, and the 2 and the 3. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 goes here. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 2. These 3 numbers in this row, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4, 5, and 3. 4, 5, and a 3. And look, we have a 4 and a 3 in this column. So no 4 and a 3 in this box. The 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Alright, so 2 boxes left now. In this column, the 2 and 8, 2 and 8, and we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there, we see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. Alright. We have a 5 in this column. 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. The 3 goes here, and the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. 9 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes, I believe, almost. Yes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye-bye for now.